Hey guys, welcome back to Popo's Woodwork. So this is going to be a super fast video, and it's an issue that we are currently going through, and I found a solution. It may be out there online, but I don't know, I haven't researched it. It just hit my head and I tried it and it's working. It's time consuming, but it works. But anyway, backstory is I let my 10-year-old daughter paint her room. She wanted to paint it pink. She wanted to do it by herself. Mistake. But anyway, she's over here looking at me. We let her paint it, and she got to paint on the walls, but she got paint all over the floor. We have these wood laminate floors in her room, and I told her if you get paint on the floor, wipe it up immediately, it'll come up. She didn't. She let it dry. So now we can scrub it, and it won't come up. So it hit me. I have a steamer that I use to steam my clothes because I don't like to iron. I went and got the steamer, put the steamer on the paint for a few seconds and used a wet rag, and it wipes up easy as pie. So I wanted to show you all that, so I'm going to flip you around and show you the paint in the floor and show you what it looks like scrubbing it, then show you what it looks like with the steamer, and then how easy it is in case on down the line y'all painting y'all's house and you do the same thing, get paint in your floor and it won't come up. This will help you. Alright, so here's our wood laminate floor. As you can see, here's all the paint. And we've already got up a bunch, so she's got a ton. Alright, get down there and scrub it. If you get down there and scrub it with a wet rag, you're going to have to put a whole lot of elbow grease into it, and it ain't going to do nothing. Alright, so let me grab the steamer. Try to do this while I'm holding it. So we're using the steamer. You just heat it up a second, and then it wipes up. It's almost like magic. So here we'll do this right here. Alright, we're going to do this little big pile right here. And this big old blob. Like I said, this is time consuming, but it's a lot less elbow grease. But it just takes it right on up. And sometimes it might be, well, it got it. Sometimes it might be another, let me do this big one right here. It might be a thicker spot. You might have to hit it a little bit longer with the steamer. So, that's that. Let me flip you back around. Alright, so that's that, and this is the culprit standing over here in the corner. They got the paint all in the floor. So now I'm going to turn the reins over to her. She's going to take the steamer and she's going to take the rag and she's going to get up all this paint in the floor. And she ain't going to go outside and play until she does. So anyway, I hope that tip helps y'all. Like I said, it may be online. I don't know. I haven't had a chance. I just woke up working third shift and I got to go back tonight. And I just thought of it and it actually works. So just want to help y'all out. Anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. Like I always say, y'all have a nice day. And I'm going to go rest so I can go back to work tonight. We'll see you on the next one.